In today's video, I am going to teach you how to forward emails to a hosted email address in the Conversations inbox in Hubspot. The goal here is simple. You will grab the special Hubspot fallback address for your Conversations inbox, then paste that address into the forwarding or redirect settings of your external email provider. Once it is confirmed, any messages sent to that external mailbox can be routed into Hubspot so your team can manage them in one place. Start inside Hubspot. Look to the top area of your account for the settings icon that looks like a gear, and click it. In the settings menu, navigate to Inbox, then choose Inboxes. This is where Hubspot lists each inbox connection, including any Conversations inbox you use for team communication. Next, find the Conversations inbox you want to forward messages into. Move your cursor over that inbox entry and select Edit. This opens the configuration screen for that inbox, where Hubspot provides important connection details. On this page, locate the Hubspot fallback address. This is a hosted address generated by Hubspot specifically for your inbox. It is usually shown as an address on the Hubspot inbox domain. When you see it, click Copy. Copying it directly helps avoid typos, because even a small mistake in the address can prevent messages from arriving in Hubspot. Now switch over to your external email provider, such as Gmail or Outlook, and sign in to the mailbox you want to forward from. Go to that provider's settings and find the area labeled Forwarding, Redirect, or Mail Flow depending on the platform. Add the Hubspot fallback address you copied from Hubspot as the forwarding destination. If your provider offers options for keeping a copy in the original inbox, choose the setting that best matches your team's workflow. Finally, complete any confirmation steps required by your email host. Many providers send a verification email or require you to approve the forward before it activates. Once that confirmation is done, forwarding should begin and messages will start flowing into the Conversations inbox inside Hubspot. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.